Yeah, guys, what's going on? I'm feeling a little silly. I've been in the house for a very long time, and I'm finally going to be leaving and traveling to see my family for the first time in 7 months. I got my COVID test, I'm negative, and then I'm gonna take another test as soon as I get home. This is all bringing me to the fact that I wanna vlog my trip there, and I just got this phone in the mail to check out. This is the Xiaomi 10T Pro. A huge thank you to Xiaomi for sponsoring this video. Yeah, you got the Xiaomi. Yeah, I'm here for all of the remixes. The specs on this thing just sounds absolutely crazy. 108 megapixel AI camera, 8K with optical image stabilization, up to 144 Hz adaptive sync true color display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, a 5,000 milliamp battery with 33 fast watch charging, and 5G. Let's open it up, get packing, and go home because I have to get on a flight very soon. Very soon, and I'm not ready. That's one thing that hasn't changed. I was so excited to use my knife that I just realized had a spring-loaded deployment, but I don't need it. This is the Mi 10T Pro 5G. Oh, look at that. We've lifted up the whole, it's all here. Look at that. Oh, that is like a jet black. All right, oh, look at that, 5G. All right, we need a SIM card. I'm gonna pop one of those in, charge this up, set it up, and then we're gonna get on our way. Oh, the typing feels nice. The screen looks incredible. I mean, I'm only at the Wi-Fi setup, and it still looks great. It has a nice feel to it. USB-C cable. You're for the wrong country. I won't hold it against you. I have adapters. What's in here? Oh, look at this on a little protective case. Oh, and a little dongle. That's a case. What this really needs is a cleaning cloth. Oh my goodness, I'm so smudgy. I definitely would prefer to not have a case on it, but I'm traveling and I would like to keep this nice and protected. Okay, I'm gonna finish my setup, start packing, and take you guys along for, I guess, what is gonna be my first time traveling in a very long time. Way to pick up Jenna. Alex was kind enough to take us to the airport. I didn't even get a chance to film any of my packing. I've been up since like 5 a.m. Finished the podcast, uploaded it, packed, and now we're on our way. Thank you so much for taking us.
Of course.
We were really afraid of getting in an Uber, so this works out great. I'll give you money.
No, don't give me money.
I'm gonna give you money.
No, don't give me money.
I'm gonna give you money.
No, just give me 5 stars.
5 stars! Maddie, are you ready? Hi, Jenna.
What's that?
Yep.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, we have so much stuff.
Hi, Maddie.
Hi, Maddie.
I think I'm more shook about the vlog.
Yeah, I know. Jenna, hi.
Hi.
We're almost to the airport. This is the first time we've traveled in
7 months.
7 months. Maddie, hi.
Also 7 months. Wait, no, longer.
Probably, because he didn't go to Hawaii.
Bring it back. We have to let them know. Probably the holidays.
Yeah.
Hi, Maddie. You've been a good boy.
Learn more about LAX's efforts to combat COVID-19 at flylax.com/travel-safely. Together, we can reduce the spread of germs and ensure healthy and safe
Germ.
I got my breakfast sandwich. Oh my god, it's so weird. Everything is so weird. Like, there's no tables. You can't really sit anywhere. What do we do?
We'll go to the gate.
Okay. I'm gonna get a napkin.
Bandana or a vented mask. Those 2 face coverings are not allowed. If you have either, please see customer service. We'll provide you with a paper mask.
Wow.
We'll make a general announcement for the flight 5 minutes prior to the boarding time.
Let's go, buddy. Come on. Let's go potty. Come on. Come on. Go potty. Go potty.
Good boy.
Okay, so I just realized that I didn't switch this to shoot in 8K. It was still shooting in 1080. And we're at the airport now. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this hair. It's not happening. But we're at a layover. We landed in Denver, so we're here for like an hour. Jenna and Maddie sitting on the floor. I just switched everything over to 4K. Whenever you get a new phone, you gotta always switch it to a higher resolution. This is 8K content. Show them this beautiful view we have. I meant the other way. Yeah, but there's people. Just keep everything's so weird. We made it! Natty is running. Best Buy Express! Come on, let's go. Let's go. There she goes. Hey, Jenna, we made it home.
We did.
How long did you sleep today?
I woke up pretty early, but then I took an hour and a half nap.
Yup. Am I in the frame?
Push it this way.
Push it this way.
A little less.
This way.
A little more.
Push it this way.
There you go.
Hi, we made it. I cannot believe what a long day it was. I honestly must say that I really like the 6-foot roll, and I hope that we keep it forever. Because I don't want to be close to people. But I want to be close to Doggy. Is Maddie in the frame?
Up a little. Perfect.
Easy. He's probably not focused. 8K. Oh. 8K doggy. Hey. 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 Maddie. He's a good boy.
Good dog.